in C++. What about loops? In C++, we have three types of loop. The first one is the while loop. To create a while loop, simply write while followed by a condition in parentheses like a is less than 5, and then enclose the code you want to use within these curly brackets. So let's print the value of a using cout, and then we will increase the value of a by 1 using this increment operator. In a while loop, the condition is checked before each iteration, and if it is true, the loop will keep running until the condition becomes false. That is why we see 0 to 4 printed in terminal. After that, the value becomes 5, the condition becomes false, and while loop is terminated. Next up is do while loop. With this loop, you start by writing do and then the code within curly brackets. After that, you add while followed by a condition in parentheses. In a do while loop, the code is executed at least once regardless of the condition. Then the condition is checked, and if it is false, the loop won't run again. This do while loop is useful when you want to execute a block of code first without checking the condition. Last but not least, we have the for loop. To create a for loop, you start with the keyword for and then provide the initialization of a control variable like int I equals 0 followed by a semicolon. Next, you specify the condition such as I is less than 5. The loop will continue as long as this condition is true. Then, if we want to increment or decrement our control variable, like I++ will increase its value by 1 after every successful execution of the for loop. As compared to other loop, for loop provides you more control over the loop. Here we are printing the value of I till it is less than 5 using the for loop. Now let's move on to the conditional statements in C++. The first one is the if statement. To write an if statement, use the if keyword followed by a condition in parentheses. Then enclose the code to be executed if the condition is true within curly brackets. For example, if Twitter is greater than threads, we print Twitter won, and we see it in our terminal. If the condition is false, we can add an else statement to execute alternative code, such as printing threads won. Let's increase the value of threads, and now threads won is printed. By adding multiple conditions using the else if keyword, we can handle various cases. For example, if Twitter is equal to threads, we can print both are stealing data. Let's equal these values, and now both are stealing data is printed in our